In a world buried under endless snow, survival is a battle fought every single day. This is Milan, a 75-year-old helder man, and his only companion, a loyal wolf.
Every day begins by breaking the ice, both outside and within. Each carries hope for another day of life. Fishing here is not tradition. It is survival.
Deep below the ice, life still dares to move.
Sometimes, nature chooses mercy. Every fish means one more day of life. Every fish means one more day of life. But the path home is never safe. One moment is all it takes to change everything.
Below him waits only death.
And above him, only fragile hope. In a heartbeat, hope shatters. In a heartbeat, hope shatters. But surrender has never been his choice. An aging body, driven by an unbreakable will. Loyalty never abandons its own. For him, this is not an animal. This is family. But the journey is far from over. Nature unleashes its final trial.
And then, fate reveals another soul in need.
A wounded king, fighting his last battle.
In a world buried under endless snow,
kindness is the purest form of courage. This is what true bravery looks like.
At last, a light in the darkness. Warmth becomes life once again. And love begins the healing.
Even with little, he chooses to give.
Life slowly returns.
3 souls, 1 shelter. 3 souls, 1 shelter.
Days and nights silently pass.
Strength is reborn. This quiet smile is his greatest reward. Nature reclaims her child. A silent goodbye, filled with gratitude. Some bonds need no words.
And the hero walks on unnoticed.
After every dark night, a new dawn rises.